Hi, my name is Katrina Collier. I'm a facilitator, speaker, and I'm author of The Robot Proof Recruiter. I spend much of my time asking recruiters, HR, talent acquisition, and in fact, anybody who is involved in the recruitment process to use technology to create a better human experience, or as we say in the trade, a candidate experience. I love the Recite Me tool because it allows people to apply for your roles, or to be honest, read your website. The reason I, of course, wanted it on my website was so it was also accessible. I can't spend all of this time asking people to make their websites accessible and not make mine so. This is an example of the mastermind that I run for recruiters. And, some of the stuff that I find so amazing about this tool and how easy it is to use is, I click here because I'm dyslexic, I need a different shade of color, and I can just click and there it is. And I can easily turn to default. I love things like the ruler where I can easily click and just show different parts of my page, which just makes it so much easier. And to be honest, I actually really love this one, which is just perfect for anybody who's getting a bit older and struggling to read. I actually could do with this on all of the pages that I view. So definitely have a look at the tool. I think as companies who are hiring, we spend a lot of time looking at how somebody can physically get in the building and can they move around the office, but we forget that actually people do need to be able to apply to our roles. So add Recite Me to your website and make it so people can apply.